So in this class we have to discuss just about NSAID, the products which are available in market. पिछले क्लास में हमने डिस्कस किया इंसेट के क्लासिफिकेशन के मुतालिक। आज की क्लास में हम जानेंगे वो इंसेट जो कि काफ़ी फेमस है, मार्केट में अवेलेबल है मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के ब्रांड्स के फॉर्म में। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल salicylate, it include aspirin. So aspirin which is available in tablet form, so dose is 325 mg and they are effective for body pain, fever and pain from cold and flu, and they have also a lot of uses. Next is propionic acid derivatives, so it include NSAID, so they include flurbipropan available in 100 mg dose, and this is manufactured by Pfizer pharmaceutical company. Next is Depro, so it include oxaprozin and the dose is 600 mg. Next is Ferrobin, so it also include ibuprofen and this is manufactured by Abbott Pharmaceutical Company, multinational company. Next is naproxen, so the dose, this is basically in 500 mg dose. Next is substituted antranilic acid, so it include Ponstan Fort. So single Ponstan include mefenamic acid and they are available in a dose of 250, but Ponstan Fort available in a dose of 500 mg and this is also manufactured by Pfizer pharmaceutical company. Next is penyl acetic acid, so it includes diclofenac sodium and diclofenac potassium. So diclofenac potassium dose 50 mg, they are available in tablet form. They are also available in tablet form, solution form, injection form and in gel form, and they have also a lot of uses. So in next classes we shall be discussing about diclofenac potassium and diclofenac sodium uses. Next is acetic acid derivatives, so it include etodolic and the dose is 400 mg. Next is indole acetic acid, so it include indomethacin capsule and they are available in a dose of 25 milligram. Next is sulfoxide, so it include Solendic available in a dose of 200 mg. So pharmacists should dispense with attached medication guide, so basically 200 mg, so this should be used with caution. Next is pyrrole alkanoic acid, so it includes tolmetin sodium and available in a dose of 600 mg. Next is pyrazolone derivatives, so it includes phenylbutazone, so they are available in different dosage forms. So this includes 200 mg per ml and this is basically in lotion form. Next is oxycam derivatives, so it includes pyroxicam to 20 mg. Pyroxicam also available in injectable form. This also includes dispersible tablets in capsule form. This is also in combination form, lorazepam with plus paracetamol. Next is diflunisal tablet, so available in a dose of 500 mg. Next is sulfonamide, so pericocet available in a dose of 440 mg and this is also manufactured by Pfizer pharmaceutical company. Next is nimesulide available in a dose of 100 mg and this is manufactured by Parmo pharmaceutical company. Next is etoricoxib, so available in a dose of 90 mg. IP mean International Pharmacopoeia. Next is meloxicam, available in a dose of 7.5 mg, and anti-inflammatory and analgesic property. So this all about different brands which are available in market. Thousands of other alternative brands are available in market. This is just to give you a brief idea about different type of insert medication which are available in market. So each medicine, each class has their own specific role and function. जितने भी इंसर्ट्स को हमने डिस्कस किया ये मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के डोजेज फॉर्म में अवेलेबल है, मोस्टली इन टेबलेट फॉर्म, कैप्सूल फॉर्म, इंजेक्टेबल फॉर्म and in cream, lotion and ointment form, each one having their specific role and function. So this also include OTC medication, over the counter medicine. So you should know about each drug, their clinical uses, their doses, which is important for clinical practice. So in next classes we have to focus on each class, their clinical use and their indication. अगली क्लासेस में हम जानेंगे इसके जो मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के क्लिनिकल यूजेस हैं, तो इसके मुतालिक हम डिस्कस करेंगे. So this all about inserts. If you feel any problem you can ask anytime. Thank you.